Hi everyone. Today, we will learn how to manage our time effectively. Here are some ideas that will help you with your organizational habits, values, discipline, persuasion, systemization, goals, management style, and even travel. Time is a resource like any other. And an important one, respect for which can boost effectiveness and profitability, so time management is a crucial skill. It can enhance personal productivity, allow you to focus on priorities, and ultimately act directly to improve your effectiveness, and hence the overall success of the organization. Time is the only resource that people can't borrow, buy, or barter. And time refuses to follow one of the main tenets of the law of supply and demand, the idea that when the demand goes up to a high level, the supply will increase to meet the demand. People may use different amounts of time to accomplish results, but everyone is endowed with the same amount of time each day, 86,400 seconds. Time management is of paramount importance in our daily life. Your ability to manage the time is really one of the top 2 causes of success or failure in your life. Investing greater amounts of time into a need, goal, objective, or even weakness can tip the balance of success in your favor. At numerous crossroads in life, some people had to be willing to apply more time than their competitors to achieve a competitive advantage over them in the marketplace. They certainly didn't take for granted that their mental power was far superior to that of their competitors. Rather, their willingness to invest more time in certain tasks or use their time more effectively equalized the playing field. Of course, if you invest too much time at work, you can be a success at the office, but a failure at home. A true champion always has his or her pulse on home life and invests the right amount to keep vital relationships in life growing and thriving. Congratulations on investing in yourself, your success, and your life. Good time management is a real asset to anyone's productivity and effectiveness. Its good effects and habit can proliferate through a team, a company even, and there is clearly a direct link between personal effectiveness and the achievement of corporate objectives. The potential good effects are positive and broad in their impact. So it is worth exploring the possibilities, instilling the right habits, and avoiding any dilution of your firm intentions. And results increase in an organization where everyone is similarly motivated. The following is a compilation of the best time management quotes. If you guys find the content interesting, please give this video a thumbs up, and kindly subscribe to this channel for upcoming videos. You can also leave a comment such as a question, a suggestion, among others.
you.